Hi dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about transformations on the coordinate plane. So we have here what? The three types of transformations that can be done: translations, sliding, reflection, flipping, and rotation, turning. So if I have here what, and we have covered this before, so let's have another kind here of translation on the coordinate plane. We have two things that we have to know. About translation, you got what? You got a rule. The vertices here, as I told you before, J, K, L, given J, the points of J, K, and L. J here, 1, and go up here by 2, so 1 and 2. 1 and 2 here means here X and what? X and Y, the coordinates of X and Y. Then I have here what? Graph the triangle and its image after translation, and this is the rule of the translation. 3 units left. This means what? On x-axis or on y-axis, left or right on x-axis. So left here, negative what? Negative 3. And up or down, and 2 units up. Up or down on what? On y-axis. Up means plus 2. So it will be here x minus 3, y plus 2. For every x, I will say x minus 3, 1 minus 3, and 2 plus what? 2 plus 2. 1 minus 3 gives you negative 2, and 2 plus 2 gives you what? Gives you 4. So the new here points 2 and 4. So I'm going on the here the coordinate plane, 2 here, and then what? And then negative 2 here, it will be negative 2 and 4. So I'm going on 4. So this is the new here point. And the same I will do for what? K. It's 3 and 2. What will happen for K? K will be minus 2. So 3 minus 2 gives you, okay, the 3 units. So 3 minus here. So 3 minus 3 gives you what? Gives you 0. And what about here the y-axis? We said y-axis plus 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So it will be 0 and 4. 0 the origin and 4. So this will be my point y. What about here? The last one, L. 1 minus 3 gives you what? 1 minus 3 gives you negative 2. And here negative 1 plus 2 gives you what? Gives you negative 1. Negative 2 and what? Negative 1. Negative 2 and negative 2 and negative 1. Okay, guys, I think it's easy, right? Okay, what about the reflection? We can have here the transformation as reflection. Reflection, I'm not going to give you a rule. You will find the rule. The rule is very easy, is to multiply use the same here, to multiply by negative 1. Here he asks you the reflection over x-axis. X-axis. This means what? This means that I'm going to multiply the y coordinates by negative 1. The y coordinates by negative 1. If the reflection over y-axis, I will multiply by x coordinates. So here, the reflection on x-axis, this means that I will multiply every here y coordinate by negative 1. This is my rule, and then draw the other one easily. Okay, guys, this is very important here. So this is very important, don't forget. I have here what? A triangle has vertices, gives me the vertices, and graph the triangle and its image after. This time we have a rotation of 180 about the origin. So I have here what? Rotation. So what should I do? Multiply both coordinates by negative 1. So for the rotation, I'm going to multiply both the coordinates by negative 1 to get the new image. So remember well, my dear students, this is very important. I have here for the translation. Okay, I will give you a rule. I will give you the rule. And for the reflection, if the reflection on x-axis, so I'm going to multiply the y coordinates by negative 1. or if the reflection on y coordinates like this, so I'm going to have what? I'm going to have here to multiply the x coordinates by -1. What about the rotation here, 180? So I'm going to do what? I'm going to multiply both by -1, x coordinate and y coordinate. I hope you understood the lesson, guys. This is very easy. Study well, and if you have any question, please send me on the new SCL.